family, welcome back. Today we have a very important video for you. You may or may not know, but right now stocks and in particular cryptocurrency is going bananas. And so that is why I found it was very important to share with you what I've been discovering in my 3 years now of investing. So I'm going to give you a few ways to begin investing with zero money down. You're like, what? Yes, zero money down. You heard me right. And, I could have sat on this information myself and reaped all the benefits, but what's the fun in that? We started this channel to keep you guys well informed and bring you up-to-date information that's as helpful as possible. So we're here to spread the wealth. Okay, first, before I do that, I'm going to debunk a couple investing myths. One being only for the rich and wealthy. It's only for the rich people. I don't have enough money to invest. Lies. Don't believe any of it. It's all false. You don't have to have more than $5 in a bank account to get started investing. So, myth debunked, number one. Number two, you have to be an adult. Also false. You can begin investing as a minor as long as you have a bank account. Now, you may need your parents to set up the trading account for you, but if you have a bank account that even if your parents' name is on the account with you, it's a joint minor account, you can still begin investing. Just have them set up, follow all these links below for you and set up the apps with your account information, and then you can go trading as well. So both of those things out the window. You don't have to be rich and you don't have to be over 18. All right, so let's get started. Down below, I'm going to add in the link our first one, which is Chime. Chime is a free, 100% free online bank account. So if you follow in the description my Chime link to start, then you set up the account after you download the app. Once you set up that account through my link, you will want to attach this to a direct deposit. So if you have a side gig or your job or a stimulus check, any and all of those are qualified deposits as long as they're a minimum of $200 on that first deposit. You just need a minimum of $200 deposit, and then they will throw an extra $50 into your account. With that $50, now this is where the good part is. So, like I said, you can start out with $0 investing because you got your $50 from Chime. So what we're going to do is take that $50 and break it up 3 times. Okay? In the description link, you'll find 3 additional links. And that is where we're going to go. So, after you have this $50, it's sitting in your bank account, right? Then you follow my link below for Stash. Stash is a trading app. The reason I like Stash is you can trade in increments. You can do fractional stocks, meaning you don't have to buy a whole share, because Lord knows I couldn't afford a whole share of Tesla or Amazon when I first got started. But that's what's so wonderful about Stash is you can buy fractions. So you can buy 20 bucks worth of Tesla, you can buy 10 bucks worth of Amazon, and you still get it. You don't have to have the full purchase amount. So that's what I like about Stash. So like I said, of the $50 you got here, we're gonna break it up 3 times. So you put like 15 or 20 bucks into Stash. That's gonna be your first deposit. Once you deposit that money in your Stash account, they will give you an additional $20 incentive just for following my link. Now, if you don't follow my link, you're not gonna get that $20 incentive. So, FYI, follow that Chime link, get your $50. With that $50, put 15 to 20 of it into Stash, and they'll match it with 20 bucks. And then once you've tucked something away, I don't know, buy 1 or 2 stocks that sound good, forget about them, right? Then of that 50 you got from Chime, take, I don't know, another 15 of it and open up a Robinhood account. I'm going to attach the Robinhood link in the description as well. With Robinhood, once you sign this one up and make your first deposit, you will get a lottery at a free stock. That's the coolest part with Robinhood. All of them have something cool about them. But the thing about Robinhood is you get a lottery, and it's not necessarily going to be just a $5 or $10 stock, which that's like the low end. You could potentially get a stock up to like valued at $150, which would be awesome, right? So You did your Chime, then you did your stash, now you did your Robinhood, and you won a lottery at a free stock. Hope it's something big. All right, last but not least is Coinbase. I have that in the link in the description as well. Follow that for Coinbase. With Coinbase, you are going to get a free $10 for investing only when you follow my link below. Once you get into Coinbase, they'll give you an extra $10 to invest on top of what you already added in. Now, mind you, we got all this free from Chime, so it's still costing you nothing so far. And not only did you get the free $50 from Chime, you got an additional $20 from Stash. You got a lottery of anywhere from like $350 to $150 at Robinhood, and then in Coinbase you're getting an additional $10. So where are we at now? Let's do the math. $80 guaranteed, potentially much more. All right, so those are all three going to get you started with your investing. Like I said, you can do a monthly amount, you can do a weekly amount where it automatically withdraws from your bank account and just tucks that money in, or you can just throw money at it as you have a little extra. So all I would say is don't just not put money in it, because then you won't get the benefits. You'll just get that first, 10 or 15, 20 bucks and that'll be it. But if you keep putting, even if it's as little as $5 a month into your accounts, you will almost always see a return. The longer you keep it in there, over time, they will grow, so long as they're reputable companies that have life still left in them. I wouldn't say throw any money into like JCPenney or anything like that, because you'll probably lose that money. But, companies that are on the up and up or growing, those are always a good way to start. And so now you have quite a decent portfolio to begin investing, and I'd love to see what you picked. So please leave me in the comment section what you'd like to see more videos about. Here soon we're going to be doing some more videos of more in-depth trading of puts, calls, like options, how to buy and sell options, as well as crypto as well. So leave a comment for me down below and let me know which stocks or cryptos you bought with your free money. I would love to know. Thanks so much for tuning in. As always, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell, because we're going to have many more videos to come and you don't want to miss that one. Thanks so much. We'll see you next time.